Testing, testing. Righto, guys and girls. As you know, my bike has returned from repair. New control unit, new suspension unit. Bahnstormer Madenhead have done a fantastic job of negotiating with BMW. Well, not negotiating, basically getting it done. The fault's unusual. It's on the 1300. And the fault is really unusual because it doesn't show up. It's nothing on the dashboard, nothing. You just lose everything. You lose all hydraulics, basically. So the front and the back bounce up and down. So the bike went in for repair. As you previously saw the video and I got it back. This was the ride after I got it back from repair, and bingo, it's done it again. Lots of you guys on the channel have commented that you've got affected bikes from all around the world. I think this is a fault that hasn't really been spotted by BMW yet. It's on their K bikes, which is their this model year. So there's J and K. These are K bikes. So J were the first ones, December 15th. These are the newer bikes. So it's affected these bikes. Lots of you from around the world have commented that their bikes are affected, bouncing up and down like a pogo stick. A lot of people have also said I'm talking absolute crap, and that's the way they are. Well, if you think that, then carry on, but I wouldn't ride it like that. You'll end up in a tree. The bad thing about this is when you do end up in the tree, you won't even know it's your bike's fault. And when your dealer plugs it in, they won't know either, because the fault is not showing up on the system. So whilst the bike's just static and not being bounced up and down, it looks like there are no faults. So yeah, another video, another problem. I just want you guys to be aware of it. Take it seriously. Don't argue with me on the chat. This isn't a joke. It is happening. And look through the comments. You'll see people basically saying, yeah, they've got problems. So just check your bikes. I don't want anybody to be riding around like this. If you're your average GS rider, pop to the shops, one tour a year. You pop your little pop to the shops. You may not even notice this. But please check it out. Check it. It doesn't bounce like this. Play the video. Oh, today we've drawn a bit of a crowd in Henley-on-Thames. Richard turned up on his M. This is the inaugural ride after the so-called repair. Ridden out from Rentham Hill into Henley. Started feeling a bit strange, and bingo, suspension gone. Tricky's got sidetracked. Richard. Just keep this running as one film. Keep this running as one track. Just hold it there. Rich, I'll do it. A video to load. Done that one. Finish. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There hopefully will be more on this. Like I said, my bike's had a controller and a new hydraulic system. Sorry, new suspension system, and that didn't fix the fault. They've got it in now. They're arguing with BMW. I've told them, had enough. But where do you go when you love the bike? You don't want any other bike. The bike's fantastic. You just simply want it to work. There have been some suggestions to me. Remove the height control. That'll fix it. Get a bike without it. Yeah, okay. Well, that's not what I bought. So I don't really want that. I don't need it, actually. So if there is an option to delete it, then maybe that's the way forward. But you also then use stability control, which is absolutely fantastic with all the potholes we have in the UK. Anyway, it's just an information video. Keep watching. Subscribe to it. And I'll let you know the outcome, and I'll let you know the outcome the minute it happens. It went back in on Friday. It's now Tuesday. Wednesday! Shit, it's Thursday. Okay, thanks for watching.